Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your WhatsApp business name quickly and easily using your phone. So first, go ahead and open your WhatsApp business app. Once you're in, tap on the three dots at the top right corner if you're using Android, or just head straight to Settings if you're on iPhone. From there, select Business Tools, and then tap on Business Profile. Now you'll see all your business information. What you want to do is tap the little edit icon right next to your current business name. Once the name field opens up, just delete the old name, type in your new business name, and then hit Save, or tap the check mark to confirm. Keep in mind that WhatsApp might review your name change for compliance, so make sure the name you choose follows their guidelines and truly represents your business. And that's it! You've just learned how to change your WhatsApp business name. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy tutorials. See you in the next one.